What's going on, everyone? It is another beautiful day in New Jersey, and today, what are we doing today? Today we're going to continue the bridal series. Yay! We're going to do the Smokey version of like a nice bridal look, but like for my dramatic, you know, my more dramatic brides, not personality wise but look wise dramatic. We're going to do a smoky eye for brides. So let's go in with my primer. This is going to be like my base, but you can do any eyeshadow base. I just like to use this pencil because it does the job. So it gives me like a more intense smoky eye, and it ensures that you're going to have the pigment all throughout the night. While I'm at it, I'll go in and tight line. A little crazy. Okay. And I'm just diffusing it as much as I can. Next, I'm going to go in with the Dose of Color palette. I'm going to zoom you in. I'm going to start off with the brown shade first, and then I'll work my way to the black. Then I'm going in with a fluffy brush to blend. What's up with this camera right now? What's going on, camera? And then I'm just going to go in with my bronzer on my blending brush to kind of blend that out some more. I'm going to add another color there later, but for now I'll use this one because it's more closer to my skin tone. Then I'm going in with the black. I'm gonna keep the black mainly on the outer V. Go in a little bit on the point with some black. See how it's like smoky, but it's not all black, which is what I love. And then the kicker to making this like more bridal, to me, in my opinion, is shimmer. Duh. So I have choice of either the champagne or the silver. You know I'm gonna go more on the gold side because that's just my style. And I'm just gonna go in with my finger and drag it. And these shimmers from this palette are stunning, beautiful. Next, let's go in with some liner. I still go in with liner because, like I said in my previous video, this gives me like a guide for the lashes. These are, what are these? These are the Lily lashes in Miami. So they're hella dramatic. But I feel like it's appropriate because we're going for a dramatic look. I think I've used these one time for a wedding. For a wedding that I was in. We're gonna let that dry. In the meantime, some Lash Sensational from Maybelline. And really get in those inner corner lashes too, because especially when you wear falsies, if you don't put mascara on those lashes, it shows. Like it's so obvious. It's bad. So just get in there. And then trick, if you have long lashes like me, just bring them down. And then we will bring them back up in a sec. We're gonna let those dry and we'll move on to the face. Scratch that. I'm gonna do my complexion off camera because it's the same ordeal as the last video, and I will be right back. Okay, so my complexion is done. I did a separate video on the complexion, so be on the lookout for that. And we're gonna finish the eyes. Alright, I just cleaned underneath the brow bone, and you can leave it like that. It's very beautiful when it's like really light under there. I like to go in with the highlighter that I use because I feel like it kind of all comes together. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of that. And then this also sets it too, because what I use to clean up is a cream based product. And I just feel like that's a little bit more flattering. And then of course just go in with the blending brush. Okay, now remember I said I was going to go in with another color. I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm actually going to bring warmth back into the face like I love to do. So I'm actually going to go with a little bit of this mauve, pink, red, burgundy, whatever shade, but just a little bit. And just dust it on right there. And that color brings in the blush that we use. So you see what I do? I kind of just, you know, keep it simple. Keep the same colors going, and yeah. Do y'all see the difference? I think I need to blend it a little bit more. I hope on camera it picks it up because in person it looks bomb. I put way too much on this side. The struggle. If you feel like you lost that highlight, just go back in. And actually I feel like we can go a little darker. No, I think that looks good. And then also too with these smoky eyes, it's nice to kind of brighten this up a little bit because you don't want to look like you have dark circles or like panda eye. So just go in with a little bit of that shimmer or even that highlighter that you used. We'll go in with both. Just to see, that's beautiful. Yeah. Oof. and just make sure it's all blended. Next, I'm going to go in with the liquid liner again, just to cover up that band line. You see that line? Yeah, we don't like that. Let's curl these bad boys. I curl the lashes so my clients don't have that black shadow in their vision, and it kind of smushes it all together too, the natural lash and the falsies. Then I'll go in again with some mascara, and I'm just focusing it on these little babies. That's done for the most part. Then I will go in with my black liner again, and we're gonna put a little bit under the lash line. Take a pencil brush or a flat definer brush, and we're gonna smoke it out. I will take the brown shade, continue to smoke it out as far down as you'd like. I like it pretty far down. As we all know, I like to cover up my lines. And then once I get to that part, I'll go in with the lighter color, which we used was my bronzer. And okay. And if you feel like you went too far down, you can always go in with your highlighting powder. I use this one from Marc Jacobs. It's well loved. I like to use my makeup, okay? Go in with a fluffy brush and just add more powder. Let's get some more mascara. And if you're gonna go in with brow gel, I would say now would be the time, because we're done with all the shadows, all the powders. So if any powder got stuck in your brow hairs, the tinted brow gel will kind of like help you with that. Eliminate those powdery looking brows. And obviously it sets your brows in place for the day. Should I do a bold lip since this is like a bold look? Nah. Y'all know if I do a bold lip, I think it's more flattering a nude lip. If you do a simple eye, did I just say bold lip, do a nude lip? If you do a bold eye, I think it's more flattering to do a nude lip. If you do a bold lip, do a simple eye. Crazy how when you put the lip on, it just all comes together. So that is it. I don't think I have anything else to say on the bridal series matter. I think I'm pretty much done with bridal series for the year. I've been thinking about Halloween tutorials already, so let me know what y'all want to see this year. I have 2 in mind that I want to do, but yeah, I definitely need more ideas or something, so let me know down below what you guys would like to see, and yeah, I'll see you on my next one.